once you become an officer, then you attend flight school. And at flight school, you start off in training aircraft. You learn just the basics of flying. And that's really important because you got to understand how you will transition to more advanced and technically capable aircraft. Well, maybe a little early for all of you guys to start thinking about being a Marine or a Marine helicopter pilot. So here's what I want you to focus on now. I want you to focus on being good in school. I want you to be active and fit, because that's what Marines need to be. We need to be smart. We need to have a high school degree before we end up potentially going to university. You need to be active in your community. You need to volunteer. You need to set yourself apart from all your friends to show that you can be part of the best fighting force in the world. And again, setting those high standards for yourself now, even while you're in elementary school, is really important because it'll follow you through the rest of your life, and understanding who you are and what you want to be. And there's lots of information out there about how to join the military and join the Marine Corps in particular. It's on the website. If you Google Marines, marines.mil, marines.com are all available information. But if you see a retired Marine, a former Marine walking the streets, ask him. Ask him how he joined the Marine Corps, what made him consider serving in this military service. I think you'd find some really interesting stories and what compelled them to join and what it took for them to get through boot camp or through officer candidate school or the Naval Academy to become an officer. And if you run into a pilot like me, I'm sure he'll tell you many stories about what it took to become a pilot. Next time you see a helicopter or a military jet flying overhead, ask yourself, maybe, hey, that could be me one day. I hope to see you in the skies.